Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve the exercises of the brain and nerve grade 5 New Oxford Primary Science. So let's start our lesson at the page number 4. You have seen the concept check. You will go at the page number 4, you will see concept check. Use the correct word to complete these sentences. So the nerve that transmits signals from the brain to muscle and glands are called motor nerve. Are called dash nerve. So you will feel it motor nerve. The nerve that transmits signal from sense organ to brain are called sensory nerves. These were the two fill in the blanks in the page number 4 concept check. At the page number 5 there is again concept check where there are some words given and it's written fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. So to do those fill in the blanks, the cerebrum controls thinking, reading, reasoning. Thinking, reading and reasoning. The cerebellum controls movement and balance. The cerebellum controls movement and balance. The medulla controls breathing, memory and heartbeats. The medulla controls breathing, memory and heartbeats. So the concept check at the page number 6. This was concept check at the page number 5. Page number 7 there is again concept check which we are going to do fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. The cerebrum once again concept check at the page number 7. How are you able to hear the sounds? The answer is this. The outer ear directs the sound to a thin membrane. The eardrum, sound vibrations passed on to the inner ear, where the nerves carry the message to the brain. Question number 2. How does tongue detect different tastes? The taste buds on your tongue are sensitive to chemicals in food. They send signals to the brain. The tongue detects the different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Question number 3. What happens to the cell on the surface of skin? The skin has thousands of receptor cells. These receptors send information to the brain about things we touch. For each type of sensation, we have different receptor cells. The skin enables you to feel heat, cold, pain, pressure, and touch. So this was the concept check at the page number 7. These are 3 questions. How are you able to hear the sounds? How does tongue detect different tastes? What happens to the cells on the surface of the skin? Now, let's move toward the next task, which is exercises. Choose the right answer at the page number 8. At the page number 8, choose the right answer. In each statement or question, there are 4 options which are given and you will have to tick the right one. As you can watch on the screen, which organ works with the nervous system and sense organ to detect the world around us? Option A is heart, option B is brain, option C is liver, option D is lungs. So the correct answer is option B, brain. Which of the following does the brain need in order to function properly? A. Sleep, B. Food, D. Oxygen, E. All of these. The options actually which are given in the book: C. Oxygen, D. All of these. So D is correct, all of these. What does medulla control? Voluntary action, balance, motivation, involuntary action. D is correct, involuntary action. What is the name of the top layer of skin? What is the name of top layer of the skin? epidermis. The correct answer is epidermis. The options which are given on your book are A. Dermis, B. Retina, C. Cerebrum, D. Epidermis. The D is the correct option. Brain cells are different from other cells of the body because they do not A. Work, B. Regrow, C. Need oxygen, D. Die. So the correct answer is B. Regrow. At the page number 8, exercises part 2, you can see on the screen match that definition in the column with correct in column B. Now which causes movement in muscles is a motor nerve, right? In front of this option it's mentioned. The part of brain which controls breathing, B. Medulla. The nerve which carries the message from the eye to the brain, optic nerve. The colored part of the eye, iris. The part of eye on which the lens focuses, retina. So these are the corrected. You will have to match them with the lines. Number 3, fill in the blanks. I am going to read the statements. The highlighted parts are the words to fill in the blanks. The outer ear directs the sound to eardrum. Smells are chemical in the ear. The taste buds on your tongue are sensitive to chemicals in the food. The brain stem, medulla, connects the brain to the spinal cord. You can also write brain stem, you can also write medulla. Both the options are correct. The pupil is the part through which light enters the eye. The brain is the part of nervous system. Nerves are like telephone wire linked all parts of the body to the brain. The three main parts of the brain are medulla, cerebellum, cerebrum. The nerve cells need continuous supply of oxygen. Question number 3, fill in the blanks is completed. And now come toward the question number 4 of the exercise. You can see on your book the shape of the brain is being drawn. On this outline, on this shape, you will color the parts of cerebellum, cerebrum and medulla. Then you will have to answer these statements. These statements are: number 1, remembering to buy your friend a present for her birthday. You use cerebrum for this because motivation and memory. Copying a picture from a book, cerebrum. Attention, voluntary movement, touch, awareness of space, sight, also cerebellum. So you use both of the brain parts, cerebrum and cerebellum, to copy a picture from the book. Understanding different words, use cerebrum. Doing well in your tests, you use cerebrum. Academic skill, memory, language. Controlling your tears when you are sad, cerebellum. Coordination, cerebrum. Emotion, feeling bored and fed up, cerebrum. Controlling attention. Concentration on a particular subject, cerebrum. Dancing, cerebellum. Coordination, movement, balance. Feeling pain in your elbow, cerebrum. You use cerebrum when you feel pain in your elbow. Talking to your friends, cerebrum. Language, cerebellum. Movement. So cerebrum and cerebellum are both correct. Coughing, medulla. Nervous system, involuntary action. Blinking, medulla. Nervous system, involuntary action. Our next topic is answer the questions. The students will have to write these questions and answers very neatly. Name the different kinds of nerves in the body. The answer is the two kinds of nerves mentioned are motor nerve and sensory nerves. Question number 2. What is function of sensory nerve? The sensory nerve carries signal between the sense organ and the brain directly or via nerves on each side of the spinal cord. What is reflex action? Which part of nervous system controls the reflex action? A reflex action is an automatic action. They are controlled by spinal cord. Question number 4. How does eye see things? Light enters the eye through the pupil and in center of the iris. The lens focuses the image on the retina. The optic nerve carries the messages to brain which interprets what we are seeing. Name the parts of the brain. What is function of each part? The part of the brain are cerebrum, medulla and the cerebellum. The cerebrum controls voluntary actions like thinking, feeling, decision making, reading, seeing, differentiating between senses and remembering. The medulla controls the involuntary actions such as most bodily functions, breathing, digesting, organ functions. It keeps working when we are asleep. The cerebellum controls balance and movement of our muscles and joints, helping us to do the physical action that involve our muscles. So you will have to write the parts of brain are number 1 cerebrum, number 2 medulla, number 3 cerebellum. Then you will start writing the cerebrum controls the voluntary action like thinking, feeling, decision making, reading, seeing, differentiating between senses and remembering. The next line you will start medulla controls involuntary actions such as most bodily function, breathing, digesting, organ functions. It keeps working when we are asleep. The cerebellum controls the balance and movement of our muscles and joint, helping us to do physical action that involves our muscles. When you feel dizzy and faint, you fall down. Can you think why? It's body's way of helping you. How is this fall going to help? The answer is fainting is caused by temporary reduction in the blood flow to brain. When you collapse to the ground, your head and heart are on the same level. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to push blood up to your brain. Number 7. How does nose detect smells? Smells, chemicals in the air dissolve on the moist lining of the nostrils. The nerve carries a message to the brain and you can detect the smell. If you touch a hot plate, what makes you take your hand away? How does message get to brain? The answer is tiny sensors in your skin sense the heat nearby. A message is flashed by the nerve to spinal cord and your muscles and you pull your hand away. This was all about chapter number 1, the concept check and exercises, page number 8, 9 and 10 respectively on your science book. So students, to choose the correct answer, match the definition with column A with column B and fill in the blanks. You will do on your book. And page number 9, question number 5, which area of the brain will be the most active when you perform the following tasks and action? It's also possible to write on the book, but the questions answer are necessarily here to tell you that the question answer are to be write on the notebook. You must have to write all the question answers on the notebook in a very neat way. Make a title pages, write the title and then start writing questions, then answers, and step by step complete all the questions and answers and also learn them. Thank you so much. Keep watching our channel for more videos. Inshallah we will upload some more. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.